Act Like It's Your Boy Business. And right now we are behind the scenes of my baby right now, TC Customs in Atlanta. Getting something super dope done. I don't want to tell y'all what it is. Just know I'm getting something just added that's gonna add that extra little on there. You know what I'm saying? That extra little to make it right. You feel me? Dodge did this right here. Look at this. My boys are struggling right now with this shit. You know why they struggling? Because they use the cheap ass wrap to wrap the top half of my car. They charged us an arm and a leg on this 50th anniversary to put this, what is it, cheap what? What is it? Some China shit. You know, I like China. Hey, everybody from China, look, I fuck with y'all. Don't get it twisted. But this shit right here is bad. It's horrible. But it look good when it's on. I ain't gonna hold it.
It look like paint.
It look like paint. So that's what it's supposed to do though. It's supposed to look like paint. And this shit probably ain't supposed to come off. But I don't want my car looking like everybody else's. So therefore, I'm gonna add a little extra to that thing, to put a little sauce on that thing, you know? So I got my boy right now, putting something special together for y'all. Y'all gonna see what it is. Y'all gonna see how I'm smoking. Y'all gonna see how I'm pulling up. Just know it's me when I pull up, you understand me? TC Customs, man. Straight like that. Doing it super duper big, you feel me? Next person is Dizzle. Dizzle gonna get his goddamn his Scatpack done, you feel me? And yeah, we gonna bring everything through here. You know what I'm saying? My boys are gonna do me right. And make sure when you come here, say BA made you come here. Cause he gotta pay me for all y'all that's coming through here. Understand that. You hear me? So every time you come through here, make sure you let them know, hey, the gang sent you here. You understand me? And that's how we gonna rock out. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And yeah, it's about to get smoked. What's going on? Y'all know what it is. You better act like it is your boy BA. And I just arrived to see my new baby. The boy Austin just hooked me up at TC Customs. Check me out though, man. Look, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Tell me that ain't the extra little touch. It's been sitting outside a little bit. You know, got a little few things on it, but look at that carbon fiber on the hood, man. Ooh, wee. Tell me that ain't sick. Oh my goodness. Big man. Man, that shit looks so good. So good. Super detailed type stuff. And it's crazy because you don't even notice till you get close. You know, like you gotta get up on it and you notice like, oh, okay, it's that type of party. Wheels next, man. You know, I like my wheels. I like the plastic wheels. They look good, but I gotta throw a little extra sauce on that thing. Ain't gonna hold you. So the next thing, we gonna do headers, we gonna do wheels, and then we gonna do supercharger. So y'all stay like, yeah, supercharger. Y'all heard me right. Pro Charger stage 2 is going down. Gang banging media. Yes, yes, yes. I'm on your ass. Just know that. So don't think this is no regular Scatpack. I'm gonna have Hellcat power. Understand me? So when you pull up next to this bad boy right here, when you pull up next to Halloween, know what time it is. It's a monster coming. It's a monster. You hear me? Look at that orange mango. I call that thing Happy Halloween, man. Hallows Eve, man. Gang shit, man. Let me go holler at my boy Austin, man. Alright, man, so my car just got wrapped up. You already know we got the 50th anniversary Dodge Challenger Scatpack Widebody. Just got that carbon fiber set up on that bad boy. Top, hood, trunk, whole 9 yards. Next, we gonna match the wheels up. And it's gonna be all my boy right here. Awesome, yo. Yes, sir. He gonna take care of all the work, do all my stuff. If you want your stuff done right, you already know where to slide. Make sure you let him know that BA sent you. Cause he gotta show me some love every time it happens. Understand that. You hear me? So make sure you come to TC Customs. We gonna get it smoking every time, straight like that. I appreciate my boy, man. Look how sexy he got me out here. Notice when you see this sexiness pull up, what time it is. Yeah, I'm telling you that thing. I'm calling it Happy Halloween, man. Yes, sir. You're looking at a monster. That's a whole lot of sexiness right there, right there. Goodness gracious. The tent, the wrap, all that. I had to get some extra touches to separate me from you regular boys. You know what I'm saying? Like, you pull up next to me, you might got a 50th, maybe, if you got one. If you have one, it ain't gonna be like mine. Understand that. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing here at Gang Banging Media, 2Ks. You already know how we rocking and doing that thing. You know what I mean? The next person is Dizzle. We gonna get his stuff set up real sexy. Pull up on you boys real nasty. You already know what type of situation it's gonna be. And we gonna get it smoking. So keep a lookout for this. This is next. You know what I mean? The next time you see this, it's gonna be wide-bodied up, wrapped up, wheeled up, all that. Headers, the whole nine, ready to race. You see me? So that's how we doing. That's how we shaking. So I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll of that thing. Stay tuned. Wheels coming, supercharger coming, and yeah, it's a lot of stuff coming, man. Headers also. So I'm getting new headers installed, all that type of good stuff. We already got the boiler system, a tack system on that thing. Hey, we finna be radical out here, man. New tint. Super illegal, I ain't gonna hold you. Super illegal. Hopefully they don't get my ass, you hear me? But that thing looks sexy though. I had to get it done, man. Had to get it done. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like these videos. And we're gonna keep bringing them to y'all all day long. When I ain't in the studio doing music, I'm trying to give y'all this lifestyle, you feel me? You already know how we do it. Fast Lane, 2K, signing out.